What is Rockefeller Center's underground concourse system? Imagine walking through a bustling city and finding a hidden underground world that connects some of the most famous landmarks in New York City. That's what the Rockefeller Center underground concourse system is all about. This network of underground walkways runs beneath the Rockefeller Center complex, stretching from 47th Street to 51st Street between 5th Avenue and 7th Avenue. It was part of the original plans back in 1931 and officially opened in 1935. Designed as a sheltered space, the concourse offers a cool, air-conditioned area filled with shops and restaurants. It was built to give visitors and workers a comfortable way to move around without battling the weather or street traffic. The concourse is the highest for basement levels in Rockefeller Center, but it is the only one open to the public. The lower 3 levels are used mainly for storage and shipping. Getting into the concourse is easy. You can access it through stairways, elevators, or from the restaurants surrounding the famous ice skating rink at Rockefeller Plaza. It also connects directly to the New York City subway's 47th to 50th Street's Rockefeller Center station, which serves several subway lines. This makes it a key transit hub for thousands of commuters and visitors every day. Over the years, the space has been updated to stay fresh and inviting. In 1999, the concourse was renovated to add more upscale retail stores, better lighting, and improved air conditioning. Today, you can find shops like Banana Republic, which is one of the largest retailers there. But the underground concourse is more than just a shopping mall. It links to a larger tunnel system that extends westward all the way to Times Square. This pedestrian tunnel allows people to walk between Rockefeller Center and Times Square underground, avoiding busy streets and bad weather. It also connects to multiple subway lines along the way. In short, the Rockefeller Center underground concourse system is a vital part of New York City's urban scene. It combines shopping, dining, transit, and pedestrian pathways into one convenient underground network beneath one of the city's most iconic landmarks.